Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another weekly analysis. Starting off with the DXY. We were looking at this imbalance last week for longs. However, if we look at this candle over here, we failed to put in a new high, and what's happened with last week's candle is we have broken below this imbalance, so that is just a confirmation for me to look for shorts. So now what I'm going to do going into next week is I'm going to wait for a retracement into this imbalance to take out this sell side liquidity over here. So going into next week, I am a bearish dollar. Now the pairs that I am watching are the ones that I've flagged over here in blue. So we've got Aussie dollar. We've swept quite a bit of sell side liquidity, and I'm expecting price to come into premium. So on the daily time frame, I am looking for longs. Also, if we look at this imbalance over here, we've actually broken out of it on the daily time frame, so that's given me extra confidence and confirmation that we are going to be going, we're going to be going long on this pair. Now this for our imbalance held and price put in a new high, so what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at these levels. So anywhere in discount, I'm going to be looking for longs. Okay. Next pair that I am watching is euro dollar. Weekly time frame, we've swept some sell side, expecting price to come into premium. A daily time frame, we have this imbalance over here, just like the DXY, expecting price to come into this level for longs. First, we're going to target this high and then this high over here. For our time frame, what we can do starting the week, there is a chance that price comes all the way down into this daily imbalance, and then we continue higher. Or we've got this 1 hour order block where price could reject from, and then we could sweep this liquidity and then come down into the daily order block, the daily imbalance, to then look for continued longs. Similar to GBP USD, we've got that daily time frame, we've got the imbalance over here waiting for price to retrace into it to look for longs. And then the next pair that I am watching is CAD JPY. So on the weekly time frame, we have swept sell side liquidity over here, and we broke out of this level over here, and we've put in a new high on the daily time frame. I see no reason for price to reject from these levels because we really don't have an imbalance over here at all. On the weekly time frame, we've got this imbalance, and I am starting to think, is price going to continue higher to take us into this imbalance on the weekly time frame? So on the daily time frame, you can see we've got this little bit of an imbalance over here, which we've broken out of. There is a very high chance that price now comes down, retests this level to continue higher. So on the daily time frame, what we can look for is price has gone up, broken structure. We can look at this imbalance over here, or we can also just have our fib levels, draw the fib from the low to the high, and then have your limit set to take longs. And the last pair that I am watching, I went through this in my last week's video, so I don't really need to go into it in much detail. I am looking for shorts on euro CAD. So once price comes into this daily imbalance, I will be looking for shorts to take this down. Okay, so yeah, these are the pairs that I'm watching. That's about it really, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any questions, just drop me a message, a DM, or you can write it down in the comments below, and I will see you next week now. Until then, bye.